Welcome back to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. Okay, so that's the only at the moment. Kind of hoping they will get more. They will already have this. And the LED pumpkin. And this. Okay, we'll do these. This cool multicolor eyes. It looks scary. And then the projector.
Are you Janie's mom?
I'm sorry?
You're Janie?
I think these. It's not much Halloween. Ah. This one comes with the black color also. And the projector light. And the lantern. Oh, that is so cute. Sweet and spooky. Trick or treat. You are my boo. That's a cute thing. I always like this one. Use it trying to. The pumpkin. This is weird. They have that color. Oh, this, I like this color. The gold. And that color. And this color. And this one too. So many to choose from. Tabletop decor. I have the different color. This is sparkly. The other one sparkly. Okay, these are having new one. It comes with two. I think they're a good price for two. I still use that one. It's still doing good for me. Okay, these are having new one. It comes with two. I think they're a good price for two. So this is the only $5 section. I don't have that much yet. The doormat. And the pumpkins. Another doormat. And okay. Grateful. And the Lazy Susan over here. $5. The cheese board and the other cheese board over there. I'm gonna put that one back. Cheese board. I think there's another one there. And this cake for $5. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's Ma'am Sky. See you in my next videos. Bye!